What's up, guys and gals? It's Roy from Roy's Customs. I got a nice little hyper tough 106-piece rotary toolkit here. It comes with the instruction manual. There's a nice little carrying case. It comes with all these little accessories. I'm gonna get this open. Oh. Of course. It comes with all kinds of stuff. The little grinder wheels, the little sanding discs, little different shapes of like little grinder bits. Comes with the obvious sanding bits. It actually has the tool, obviously, to loosen the neck. And you got your little hold down here to hold the shaft in place while you change it. And these, you screw these out right here. There's one on top and one on the bottom. That's how you replace your brushes. It actually comes with a set of brushes. You've got your variables, different speeds. Your on-off switch is down here at the bottom of the grip. It seems to have plenty of power. It seems to be alright. I'll actually go ahead and show you what I had cut on earlier, and that was pretty quick. It was like no problem at all. Just zip right through it. So yeah, I have to say that, you know, for 20 bucks, I think it's going to be a pretty good kit. I'll probably do a little update later, let you know about durability and stuff if there's any issues with that. I don't know for sure, but this comes off, so this thing may actually fit the actual Dremel cable attachment, because there's like a cable attachment that might actually fit the Dremel one. But if not, maybe you can order one or something from them, or get one from somewhere else or something and put on there. But you could probably get you one of the whips for it. I used to have a actual Dremel once years back, and it was pretty good, and I had the whip for it and everything, and I used it for all kinds of stuff. But this one here's the Walmart brand, and we're gonna see how well this does. And like I say, with everything, every tool I buy, I want to get as long a life as I can out of it. You know, I like things to be durable. I hate wasting money, and if I don't get any more than a couple of years out of this thing, then I'm going to be pretty disappointed. You know, I expect to get lots of years and lots of life out of my stuff. So that's one of the other reasons why I do these reviews, and then I'll do updates on stuff. And you know, anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. And if you decide on getting you a rotary tool for 20 bucks, 106-piece kit, seems to be really good. So, peace out.